Hi everybody, Kathleen here from Placement Partner. Today I'd like to take you through one of our features called SMS. Now, if you don't already know, SMSs are a great form of communication, not only for your candidates, but for clients too. So when it comes to relationship building, sometimes clients don't always have access to emails. Sometimes you're in an area where there's no Wi-Fi signal, and then you definitely need to be using an SMS. With Placement Partner, SMSs are also cost effective, and they definitely speed up the recruitment process. So what I'd like to do is just share my screen with you and take you through one or two practical examples and different ways of being able to use the SMS tool on your system. So you'll notice our SMS module has a couple of options. We've obviously got our Postbox, candidates, and clients. So when it comes to Postbox, this is really for urgent SMSs. If you've got a vacancy that you really need to fill, you maybe haven't interviewed all these candidates as yet. So by sending them your URL vacancy link and asking them to send their updated CVs or any information, or to see if there's any interest in the role, you would be able to go into your Postbox, select the candidates or the certain job sector that you are looking for, and send them a bulk message. So in my practical example, I'll just be searching for a receptionist and seeing what comes up. From here, what I would then do is obviously read through my candidates and have a look which ones I'd like to SMS. So what you would then do is select the candidates that you'd like to send the message to and say add recipients. You'll then notice that on the right-hand side, there would be your list of candidates that you are wanting to send this message to. Now, in most cases, you don't want this message to look unpersonalized. So what we've got is these lovely templates here that you are able to make use of so that each and every candidate feels like it's a personalized message. You would simply just start the message by saying hi, and then use your @ name template so that all of these candidates get that real personalized touch to their message. You would then simply be able to copy and paste your URL link in this text box and send the message off. Should it be a time that it's later on in the afternoon, or you're wanting to schedule it because as I say, it was a bit later on in the afternoon, you are able to say deliver the message on the following day at a certain time, or in an event of it being a client or candidate's birthday and you'd like to wish them for their birthday and it's only on the following day, you were also able to make use of this feature. If I go back up, the same would apply to my candidates. I could also go into my candidate database and do very much the same task by selecting the sector that I'm looking for. If I have got a new position for a mechanical engineer, for example, and I'd like to contact these specific candidates and tell them about my role, I would be able to select their names, add the recipients, and send them a similar message. The same would apply for our clients. As I say, clients is a great way of building communication, relationship building, and just staying in touch with your client, perhaps just sending good day message, thanks for the business. These messages really come in handy. You are also able to make use of recipient groups. So this is really for times of if you're contacting a group of people every week and you're not wanting to have to add the recipients in all the time, you're able to load the group on the system. So as you can see, we've got a couple options here. If it was sort of an admin position that I was looking, admin group of people that I was contacting on a weekly basis, if they were on a temp role, I would then just select the group and that list of recipients would be stored and saved on the system. I really hope that these SMSs definitely do excite you. And if you haven't already purchased the SMSs, please definitely contact one of the account managers, a placement partner, and get your SMSs going. Bye.